The mod has a chat feature, where you can chat with other mod users. To write in the chat, you can use the Cofl chat command, followed by some message. This will broadcast your message to all other mod users that have enabled the chat. You can toggle the chat by not writing any message after the command name. Now you wouldn't receive any messages again. In case you want to chat a lot, you probably wouldn't want to write the full /cofl chat command each time you want to write a new message. Therefore, we added the shorthand for it, /fc. With /fc, you can write into the chat with just 3 additional letters. In case you toggle the chat off and try to write into it, it will automatically toggle itself back on again. When you click on a chat message from a user, you get additional options. You can either report the message or you can mute that user permanently. To unmute someone again, use the /cofl unmute command. When a user on your mute list writes a message, you will get this notification once per session to notify you that you muted them, and don't forget about that fact. You can also directly mute users with the Cofl mute command respectively. If you execute the Cofl mute command without any arguments, you can see which players you have on your mute list